Hello everyone! The night sky suddenly lit up with brilliant red and purple streaks. Witnesses believe this is a 1 in a billion moment in nature. We're taking you there to see it with your own eyes. Carpet pythons often seek warm, hidden places like roofs, garages, or gardens to shelter, so be sure to regularly check your home.
Proceed to the route.
A giant Burmese python suddenly appeared in the middle of the road at Everglades National Park, Florida, a scene that made a group of wildlife photographers instantly stop their car to film and report.
This is the biggest snake I've ever seen in my whole life. Oh my god.
Did you get chills watching this moment like I did? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more incredible moments from nature. It feels like God really helped him through this, and this moment truly deserves the title 1 in a billion moments in nature caught on camera. Nature always surprises us with moments that are stunning and mysterious.
Another coastal carpet python inside.
Hey, that's our food. But of course Mama Bear didn't care. If you were in this situation, how would you react?
Oh, you've got a recent feed too. Pass that to you. It's already playing. Alright.
You're crazy, man. Hey, that's our food. But of course Mama Bear didn't care. If you were in this situation, how would you react?
Buddy, that's our food. Stay. Free delivery. Well, goodbye. Whatever was in there.
What's in it?
I don't know.
Not one, but 2 tornadoes moving toward a land breathtakingly beautiful yet filled with terrifying power. A massive storm cloud stretched over the skies of Dighton, Kansas, a dark, looming sight that felt like a superstorm was about to strike. A perfectly round ice disc spinning like a giant top made winter river watching in Westbrook more magical than ever.
Okay, I'm better than you. Cool.
This moment is a reminder that even in the calm and luxury of a golf course, wild nature can leave behind an unforgettable mark.
Sai, Carl.
Instead of one flexible head, this bizarre creature had two moving heads, a true testament to the unpredictable wonders of nature.
Spot on your outside couch area.
After watching that clip, I had to go check my bed right away.
You're beautiful.
Pull this down, and that's when Darren saw it. But under that little bit there.
It is.
It is, I thought it was.
It's a baby carpet.
It is only a little one, isn't it? Yeah.
Behind this door.
Oh my goodness, that's not what you want in your bed, is it?
In the lake again. Is it a rattle?
I'm never going back into the lake again. How about you? If you saw a snake swimming near your boat, how would you react? Drop a comment and remember to subscribe to discover more surprising nature moments.
Up on that warm rock and warm up.
Look at your footprints.
Yeah.
Now you can take them off if you
You might not know this, but the glowing water is caused by Noctiluca scintillans, a type of bioluminescent algae.
Oh, that's weird looking. That's just my feet under the water.
A meteor flashed across the sky, leaving behind a magical trail like brushstrokes across the canvas of the universe. Researchers are warning that volcanic rocks may soon erupt from the crater. If you were nearby, would you evacuate immediately? Mount Etna suddenly erupted violently with fiery lava jets shooting into the Sicilian sky and roaring like thunder. The sight of molten metal, glowing red rocks, and roaring earth shows us nature's unstoppable power when it decides to redraw our map.
I know it's gonna pop, that's why I came to this next pole.
Han är rätt gör sig. Mycket wind here. Han är rätt du.
A roaring avalanche of snow came crashing down just as the group stood beside a sign that read, "Expect the unexpected."
Mick. Bueno.
Imagine being surrounded by snakes like these. What would you do? This is how a python can climb onto a rooftop. Incredible, right?
Sophisticated brainwashing.
While we stood in awe, the guest calmly smiled. It's just a carpet python. That calmness is so typically Australian. Luckily, no one was hurt. Remember to stay safe when it storms. A dangerous winter moment turned into a visually stunning scene as snow dropped like a cascading snowfall waterfall. Locals were shaken after discovering a 7 to 10 foot python in Shanganagh Park.
Beach, and basically they've seen a snake on the move.
Have you ever had a snake encounter like this? Drop a comment below.
In the bottom pigeonhole.
There he is. Oh my god.
Look at that. He's pretty big.
There's this guy trying to camouflage himself on the fence, but he's too big anyone walking by can see him.
Look who's come to visit today.
Hurricane Helene caused heavy damage throughout the southern and southeastern US. If your house was swept away right in front of your eyes, what would you do? Ice pellets hit hard, covering the wooden deck, like someone just dumped giant rock salt from the sky, both stunning and concerning. What are these bears patrolling for? This strange phenomenon is called polycephaly, when identical twins fail to fully separate during embryonic development. A 14-foot reticulated python named Izzy stunned people as it slithered casually along a handrail inside a house, fascinating and bone-chilling. This is how pythons and snakes climb trees. This regenerative ability amazed scientists. If you saw a creature regrow from just a head, would you feel scared or amazed? A massive ice block from the Bruggen Glacier in southern Chile cracked and collapsed into the sea, sending a thunderous sound and a towering white spray into the sky. I seriously want to hang this photo on my wall. Do you feel the same? A violent spinning storm cloud looked like a giant portal opening in the sky, showing the raw power of nature. I wonder how the car's owner is feeling right now. This is an eastern hognose snake, non-venomous, and identified by its upturned nose. Still, always stay cautious around any snake.
We're gonna wrangle the snake. Oh, yeah.
And this is an access point here. What chance that
A mystical white arc appeared in the foggy skies of Pacifica Pier, San Francisco Bay, a rare and mysterious sight. This was a controlled avalanche carried out by authorities. A spectacular animal avalanche occurred at Monterey Harbor, California, as a whole group of sea lions slid down the slope into the sea. Don't get close. That's not a python, it's a cottonmouth, a venomous snake common in the southeastern US.
That's insane.
If you opened your stove and saw an unexpected duo like that, what would you do? Share your thoughts and subscribe for more strange snake in the house moments. A firefighting plane dropped fire retardant from above a relentless effort to stop the raging flames under fierce wind conditions. What a spectacular display! It looked like a waterfall, but it was actually a snow avalanche. Mudslides, landslides, and hail lasted 4 hours, closing Highway 7 and flooding basements up to 5.5 feet deep. The Tug Fork River rose high enough to make a car on the riverbank look like a tiny toy. I truly feel bad for the owner. Removing heavy snow blocks not only protects buildings, but also prevents potential accidents for residents.
Oh my.
A bus driver had to suddenly slam the brakes in the middle of a busy street after spotting a huge python lying across the road.
They fell through the exhaust fan. Here they are.
If you saw something like this one day, what would you do? Let me know in the comments.
Through the exhaust fan. Here they are. Alright, let's grab you guys before you get anywhere, right?
Yeah, I hope so.
Oh, it is. Hello, mate. Here, guys. That change it if you want.
Remember to subscribe to see more strange moments like these. I'm still wondering, how did that guy even get up there? Massive winter waves destroyed part of the Santa Cruz Municipal Wharf, sweeping large planks into the ocean and leaving onlookers horrified. A driver captured a rare scene, lightning bolts seemingly shooting up from the ground. This is my first time seeing them. Does anyone know what they are? A diver encountered a deep-sea guest that looked straight out of a painting, a flatfish with both eyes on the same side. Auroras occur when charged particles from solar winds collide with Earth's atmosphere near the magnetic poles, glowing in bands of green, red, purple, or pink, depending on the gas.
Going, but let's go. Hey guys.
What started as a normal walk in the Miami suburbs turned bizarre when a flock of ducks and a few pigeons decided to follow a man around.
Come on, guys. Where are we going?
Oh my goodness!
Thankfully, no one was hurt, just a lot of laughter ringing through the neighborhood. A funnel cloud is a swirling column of air formed by a thunderstorm. Once it touches down, it becomes a tornado. A sudden dust devil swept across a Little League baseball field in Hendersonville, Tennessee, sending trash flying and immediately halting the game. The skies over Weatherford, Texas turned surreal as a massive jellyfish cloud appeared draped in a horizontal rainbow band. This scene looked like it came from another planet, giant round mammotus clouds hanging ominously in the sky. This was done by a trained expert. Please do not attempt to recreate this.
So it's two big males.
Yeah, okay. So, perfect.
Yes, so basically.
If you saw something like this in your backyard, what would you do? Luckily, the dust devil quickly vanished and no one was hurt. Thousands of starlings swirled in unison, creating a magical living tornado silhouetted against the sunset. The sky over western Minnesota lit up with sweet shades of pink and orange, turning sunrise into a surreal painting. Just after a heavy rain ended, the dark sky suddenly lit up with a beautiful double rainbow right above the field. People pause to truly look. Nature whispers secrets we've never heard, and that's what makes it so magical. Hit follow so you don't miss more of these nature whispers in our next video.